Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about HTML list part 3, description list. So first of all, you have to define description list. Description list, I will define it according to the name. It is a tag or an element that is used to describe a list of information. And I want you to know that in this tutorial we'll be taking a look at 3 tags which has an opening and a closing tag. First of all, we take a look at the DL tag, which stands for description list, and under it we'll take a look at the DT, which stands for description item, and under it we'll take a look at description, which stands for which is the DD tag. But let's do that. So after writing your DL tag, I want you to know that your DL tag has an opening and a closing tag. You put your DT tag. So first of all, you put your text or whatever I want to put there. So I'm gonna just put Vicsad. So after that, you put your DD, which stands for description. Do you understand the way it works? You describe the term, which is Vicsad, description term, description list. So you describe the term, which is Vicsad, and when you put the DD tag, so when you put your DD tag, you explain about the time. So which that's how I'm trying to make you understand that the DD stands for description. I'm just going to write the Vicsad is a name of a person born on the 20th March, 20th of March, on the 20th of March 2020. So I'm just gonna save it and refresh. Can you see that it is described as Vicsad is in save it and refresh. Can you see Shotolu here is the description term, it is the term, and Shotolu is the director of Lingo record label is the description. It describes about the term, but I want you to remember that the description term is inside the description list, and the description itself is also inside the description list. I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and you can message us if you have any question at vicsadacademy@gmail.com. Bye.